In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI trading in Pocket Broker. Now to do this, first you want to open up the app and sign into your account, and then it's important that you select a real account because if you have a demo account selected, you won't be able to use or see AI trading. So go to the top and tap on QT over here, whatever account you have selected, and of course select your real account. Then from here you want to go to the top left and tap on profile icon, and you want to go to the settings, which is towards the bottom here. And then from here, as you can see under trading mode, so tap on the first one, you have two options. You have select trading mode you prefer, and then you have classic and AI mode. So I'm going to tap on AI mode over here, and as you can see, you can then set two settings down there and you are good to go. Now whenever you've done this, you can just go back, and then in here you can see you now have AI trading at the bottom. Now if I go to the top and switch over to my demo account, as I said earlier, this won't be available. This is only going to show on the real account. So as you can see, when my demo pops up like this, it actually won't be available. It's not going to show. There's only going to be the buy and sell, as you can see right now. So let me switch over to the real account to show you how to use it. Now I have to tell you here, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to essentially use this feature and how to get it. So use this at your own risk, okay? But to actually use it, you simply want to tap on AI trading, and then from here you want to go and tap on open a trade, and that's really all you have to do to use it, okay? I don't have any funds on my account. That's why it's not working for me, but that's essentially how to use the AI trading tool or mode in Pocket Broker, okay? Again, be very careful with this, and of course, use it at your own risk. Make sure you do some proper research before doing this. I'm not an advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.